Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working here guys on a Ford Edge, and if your front windshield wipers guys do not work, if the front wipers do not work, we'll explain guys which fuse you need to check. Stay with us and that's what we'll be covering today. Quick introduction guys, every single car we get at the shop, including this generation Ford Edge, we're making at least 200 videos. Why we guys do all that? Why we take our cars completely apart, as you know guys? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, hopefully you will find the information helpful. Now, if you guys need to buy any replacement tools, parts, relays, fuses guys, we'll have the links in the description of the video below for your convenience, and you can get them usually for a really good price and fast shipping as well. I will go ahead, open the hood, and I'll explain guys where you can find the fuse for the front windshield wipers. Pretty simple guys. Now, this right here, what we have, it's a 2009 Ford Edge, 2009 Ford Edge that we'll be working on, but I think it should cover the whole first generation. Right here is the fuse box, this is the fuse box that we'll be working on, and if that doesn't take care of the problem guys, we have a video how to replace windshield wiper motor as well, check it out. But right here now, you need to press in here, pull up at the same time, and now you can even pull it out. You can see on the back side of the fuse cover here, you have the numbers guys for the fuses and the relays printed. But what you don't have is the description. So you don't know what that stands for guys. So that is the bad part. Now, the fuse guys that we're looking at, for the front windshield wipers will be fuse number 58. And looking at it guys, 58 will be the second fuse, right here. On the very left row on the driver's side will be the second fuse, number 58. So let me explain now. Looking at it here guys, this will be the fuse. That fuse right there, that's number 58. Now what I'll do, I'll just go ahead and grab it guys, with the fuse puller. Also we'll have the links for the new fuses in the description of the video below as well, check it out. And just go ahead and grab it. And this is the fuse puller guys, and this is the fuse itself here. So now most of the times you can tell if that fuse is burnt or not by looking at the glass part. This is a good fuse. If you're in doubt, we have a video on the channel that explains how to test fuses, so check it out guys. Not very complicated, but that's how you guys remove it. When you're ready to install it, go ahead and push it in. If your wipers still don't work, it could be a switch guys, it could be a bad motor. We have quite a few videos that will help you diagnose that, and we're planning on making even more. So when you're ready, do not forget guys, actually to install your fuse cover. Why? Because you do yourself a great favor. You don't want all that dust, dirt, humidity guys, any moisture to get inside, because you may end up needing a new fuse box, and that's expensive part guys. So hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to do that. Thank you for watching guys, please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.